All right, just gonna quickly, Josh Shanley, by the way, just gonna quickly walk through creating a blog post, and then also talk about how you can customize your blog and some of the functionality that isn't necessarily inherent when you're playing around, when you're trying to do some stuff. So I'm not going to dive super deep into technical things here because I want to show you the framework of doing things and then let you know that the best way for you to learn more of it is to simply do it. Just play around, right? So I'll show what I'm talking about as we do this. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously log in. You actually have to hit the login button. And so these 4 icons up here are how you can create a blog post, right? So we've got text, audio, image, or video. And also know that if you choose text, you can add any type of media. So most often I actually choose text and then add media after the fact, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a blog post about a video that I've already created. And there'll be some text with it too, so you can see how the text will go with it too. Let's see. I'm going to grab this video right here. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Josh Shanley, and so I'm going to call this More Influence. More Money tip number 4. Okay, so that's the title. I'm going to click down here, and this button here is the Add Media button. And you have different options here, okay? So you can embed media from a URL, which is what I have now. You can embed media or upload from your computer an image, a video, or audio, or if you browse the gallery, it'll show your other media that you've already uploaded. Okay, in this case, we're just going to use the YouTube video and we're going to put it right here. And we're going to add media. And boom, look at that. It's already there. Bang. I'm just going to take my title and I'm going to add it here again. And I'm going to italicize it. Let's see here. The italics is still going here. Ready to lock arms and join my prosperity team. Click here. Okay, and then I'm going to hyperlink this. So what I want to do is I want to highlight it. I'm going to hit the hyperlink button, the link button on joshshanley.info, and I'm going to open it in other, and I'm going to bold it. Okay, and then I'm also going to I'm going to copy this. I'm going to italicize it. And I'm going to go Josh Shanley. For some reason, depending on what browser you're using and stuff, some of the, like the bolding for some reason carried to the next line. I'm going to put my Facebook account. I'm going to put my phone number. And I'm going to highlight that. Post that there. Open link. Okay, and that's all I'm going to do, right? Now, there is all this other stuff here. I don't even know what these do. Subscript, Superscript, I don't even know what these things mean. I've never played with them. But I would encourage you, if you're interested, play around with this different stuff, right? You can do all kinds of stuff here. You can change the font, you can change the font size, you can change the styling. Lots of stuff you can do here. I just personally choose not to mess with it. But there are lots of things. Like if you're very creative, if you're artful, I don't know if that's the right word, whatever. There's lots of really great stuff you can do with this. I just, for me, I just not stuff I like to spend time on. So we're going to choose who's going to see this post, right? And if you don't have any, if you haven't signed up anyone, you're probably only going to have public blog as an option, but I'm going to share this with team members and with the blog, my public blog. And then you choose which blog, because you can have multiple blogs. And then you choose which categories, right? And you might not, there might be a couple default, but you can edit them. See this here? You can delete, you can edit them, and you can add new ones if you just, add category right there. And then you've got the meta tag title. That's just basically the title here. The keywords, which I'm going to actually more influence, money, become, something like that. And then this is the meta description. Like, this is the little description. If somebody found this on Google, this is the little description. You know how it says, like, the little description that goes along with a Google search result. We're going to hit publish. And bang, we have something live already. And I always make sure to like my own posts. That way it gets some, there's some social proof there of, that you created it. So let's view, edit my blog now. View, edit my blog. Okay. So that post is already live, right? That post is already live. I'm actually going to, no, I'll save doing something till later. But where is, there we go. Okay, so a couple of things now that we can do when we hit this plus button. That's how we can customize the blog, right? A lot of people don't even know that that's possible. That will only be like that if you do the view, edit your blog when you're logged in, right? So options that you have here. You can add a new blog. This is new. I didn't even know that we had that. The navigation bar. What does that even mean? I'm hilarious. So you can turn on and off in power branding. You can turn off your blog search bar if you want, and then you can customize these tabs, right? And you can make them go to whatever you want. You can make them go to whatever you want, right? As you can see here. Okay, so that's the first thing. SEO options. Okay, you can give a SEO rich meta tag or meta title tags. Let's say you've got a blog that's about, I don't know, Harrisburg real estate. You could have it be Harrisburg, Josh Shanley's Harrisburg real estate blog. Josh Shanley's Harrisburg real estate blog, whatever. I probably should do this, and I haven't, and I don't know why. And your Google Analytics, I'm a moron that I don't have my Google Analytics set up. In fact, I'm going to write that down right now. Here's what's funny about this. All of this is to show you, like, you don't have to know all this stuff to have success, obviously, because it's, like, laughable how many things I don't even know or understand about this. Anyway, footer data. I didn't even know you could change these things, but hey, you can change all the footer information, right? Again, if you're making a blog for your real estate business or for your, I don't know, nutrition products business or your karate studio or whatever, what you can do is edit the stuff that's at the bottom, the footer, the stuff at the bottom here. Down here, okay? Pretty cool, right? Cool stuff here. All right, page customization. I don't even know what the page customization. Manage your blog's static pages. Okay, so this is interesting. I didn't know this either. You can create static pages that then could be, linked here, right? A static page is something, it's more like a traditional web page, I guess, would be the way of describing it. It's not a blog post. It's a static page. Whatever. I don't have any, obviously. Custom domain. This one is important. And there will be, if you have not mapped over a custom domain, there will be directions on how to do that when you click on custom domain here. Okay? And just follow those directions. And then theme picker. I don't even know what this is. Look at this. Wow. I don't even know. they're adding themes. So you can have different themes, right? I personally like this one, you know, the traditional theme. But hey, you can play around with it, and it won't ruin anything. Like, you can see how one looks with your content, and then you know, go back to the other one, right? I don't think it'll ruin anything anyway. I better not say that without, you know, question. But yeah, cool stuff here. So that's it. And then here's what to do. Just play with it. Just play around with this, right? And if you have questions, go ahead and comment below. And if we need to hop on and do a Q&A style webinar about this, I'm happy to do that. But just know that the best way to figure this stuff out is to do it. To do it, and you'll figure it out in the process of doing. As a matter of fact, that's the best way to do anything, to learn anything, is to do it and learn as you do, right? Take action and figure it out along the way. All right, enough of my rant. So here's your assignment. Make a blog post, any blog post, right? It doesn't matter. I don't care. Hello world, whatever. Make a blog post, anything, if you haven't already done so, right? And if you have done so, make a good blog post, right? You know, make a good video blog post, or make a good text-based blog post. We've got some great people great at blogging on our team. Guys like Todd Stones, dude is an incredible blogger. He's a blogaholic. He's a blogging maniac, right? And there are others too, but man, you know, but you don't get that way by accident. He's been blogging every day for like 120 days or more. And you know what? He's really good at it now. Shocker. Anyway, that's it. That's all. If you have questions, comment below, or comment. You can ask them in the group as well. And talk soon.